Feeling tired, foggy, or low on drive? You might not need more caffeine or supplements. You might need more zinc. This one mineral is absolutely essential for testosterone, immunity, energy, and guess what? Most men over 30 aren't getting enough. Before we jump into the top foods, let's talk about why zinc is so important and what happens when you don't get enough. Zinc plays a crucial role in your body's testosterone production, but its benefits go far beyond that. It supports immune health, wound healing, brain function, sperm production, and even your sense of taste and smell. So what are the signs you might be deficient? Low testosterone and reduced sex drive, frequent colds or infections, brain fog or trouble focusing, poor wound healing, loss of appetite or sense of taste, brittle nails or hair thinning. Zinc is essential for men, especially those over 30 or 40, when natural levels of testosterone start to dip. Now let's break down the top 10 zinc-rich foods with real values per 100 grams. The last one might surprise you. At number 10, we've got eggs, with 1.3 milligrams of zinc per 100 grams. Not the highest, but very bioavailable and loaded with nutrients that support hormone function. Number 9, lentils, also around 1.3 milligrams. Great for plant-based eaters and packed with fiber, but not the most potent zinc source. At number 8, chickpeas, giving you 1.5 milligrams per 100 grams. Still modest, but stackable in a testosterone-friendly diet. Coming in at number 7, chicken thighs, skinless and cooked, with 1.9 milligrams. A great lean meat option with more zinc than you might expect. Number 6, cheddar cheese, clocking in at 3.1 milligrams per 100 grams. Tasty, convenient, and a solid zinc booster for snack lovers. At number 5, lamb liver, now we're talking. 5.6 milligrams per 100 grams, plus a ton of vitamin A and B12. It's a true superfood for men. Number 4, cashew nuts, raw. 5.8 milligrams per 100 grams. Great for plant-based diets and easy to carry on the go. At number 3, pumpkin seeds dried, 7.8 milligrams. These tiny powerhouses are packed with zinc and magnesium, perfect for testosterone and recovery. Number 2, beef chuck, braised, 8.3 milligrams per 100 grams. Classic, effective, and loaded with absorbable zinc. And finally, number 1, and this might surprise you, oysters, a whopping 39.3 milligrams per 100 grams. That's almost 4 times your daily requirement in one serving. Who knew these ocean snacks were a testosterone secret weapon? If you're over 30, don't overlook zinc. It's one of the simplest ways to support healthy testosterone, stronger immunity, and overall vitality. Rotate these foods into your weekly meals, especially the top 5, and you'll feel the difference. If you want to keep your hormones sharp and your energy high, hit that subscribe button and join the men's tribe. Drop a comment with the zinc food you're adding this week, and I'll see you in the next one.